Hello everyone, this is Watch Exploration. Today's video, we are here to talk about a new product from the Versus factory, the V2 version of the Submariner. This watch model, now the V2 version, has a counterweight, and its appearance details are very good. First, let's talk about the counterweight of this watch. If it doesn't have counterweight, it's only over 150 grams, about 153 grams, which is made of normal steel, only 153 grams. This is without counterweight. But this one, it has counterweights. It can reach more than 180 grams. And can reach 186 grams. So the current VR version, it has been weighted, which is the golden part, which is made of tungsten steel. Its weight, it is relatively close, almost the same as the original one. Let's take a look at some of its details, how it is made. Let's take a look at the front dial of the watch. For the Versus factory, its detail workmanship is relatively good. The most important thing is that when you get a Versus factory watch, you will find that the entire dial, the case and strap, the polishing is very high, a sense of delicacy. It's very smooth, without any burrs. Its hands are very smooth. You can see from the side angle. Its luminous beads is made to be gentle and elegant. It's not very white. When we touch here with our hands, it won't cut your hand or scratch your hand, but small factories' products are easy to scratch hands. It's very smooth when we touch it with our hands. The outer ring is a ceramic outer ring. It's a one-way timing, which is a rotating ceramic bezel. The sound is very crisp. And the craftsmanship of Versus factory. Look, every time we turn a gear, it is aligned with this scale point. Look at this way. It is aligned with this scale point. So the craftsmanship is quite meticulous. The calendar is also. Each corner is made. Its code. The code of Versus 41 watch is 52. Okay, after looking at the front, let's take a look at its back. The back is still a Dandong 3235 movement. It has 7 ball bearings. There are no 27 balls on the market. It's a Dandong ball bearing. So those who claim to have 27 balls are usually liars. How can we tell whether it is from Dandong or Shanghai? In fact, you can tell at a glance. What's the point? Look here. There is a recessed area. It's a Dandong ball. Let's pay attention to this place. When we adjust the calendar, we pull it out. Pull it out to the first gear. It will pop out. When we push it back, you can see it will be sunken. Here, you can directly distinguish whether the movement you got is from Dandong or the Shanghai movement. It's actually very simple. Overall, this Versus factory, it has no competitors at present. Its reproduction is very high. And the Versus factory, the letter on the watch and the letter of the buckle, as long as it touches the letter A, are all flat. And the font is all flat. If it's a Versus or C imitation, they are not flat. Look at this A, it's a flat head. It's not a pointed one. So, for these small details, Versus factory also makes these small details. So today's video, I'll simply share it here. Thank you all for watching and supporting this video.